Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so I think by now I've mentioned quite a few times on this channel, if you've been here before, I've been doing my own nails at home for a few years now, 3, maybe 4 years. So I decided to go ahead and go on Amazon and find a drill, an at-home drill that I could use on my own. I went through quite a few. This one has about 400. I'll have it linked down below. It has about 400 reviews, and it was like 4.5 out of 5 stars. So I just got this yesterday finally. So I want to unbox it with you here now. All right, so first things first, little thank you card, and it tells you where you can reach them for help, and it tells you where you can sign up for a 3-year warranty. So that's actually pretty cool that it even has a 3-year warranty on this. And then you have your user guide here that shows you how to change the bits, turn it on and off, and how to control the speed. Okay, now here goes the drill itself. So this is the actual drill itself. This would almost be like just holding the size of a regular nail file. So that's not bad at all. Okay, and here comes your plug. As far as I know, this does not operate on batteries. This is strictly plug-in. Okay, and here is your little nail care kit, and it has its own little case. So this would be good for traveling and whatnot. Oh, it's actually, oh, tweezers and everything. Okay. That's actually, oh, they have little smiles on them. That's cute. Okay. Is that a cuticle cutter? I believe that's a cuticle cutter. Maybe this is supposed to be a cuticle pusher. Tweezers, little metal file, nails, and clippers. Okay. That's a cute little kit right there. I'm into it. What is this? All right. Here go your drill bits. This is the one here that you would slide these over when you're trying to use these. And I see that they actually have different grits on them. So you have smoother ones here, and then you have much grittier sanding ones down here. And then here come the extra bits, and these are all the same grit here, it seems. They're all a little bit on the smoother side. All right, here goes your little kabuki brush to wipe away all the dust. And here goes the last case of bits here. This is actually taped closed, so I'm gonna have to go cut that in a second. So let me open this up and we'll be right back. So let's jump right into getting this plugged in. And here go your controls. Here you have this one for speed, and then this is your power switch here. And there's no on-off indicator, so all right, let's hope that that is actually off at the moment, since we won't know. Actually, let's check and see if that little manual, it's not the manual will indicate which side is power on and which side is power off. Okay. Okay, so there's also a reverse feature on it. So if you're holding it like this with the wheel this way, your forward is on and center is actually off. And then if you push it all the way to the opposite end, you get your reverse. So let's leave it centered for now, so we know that's off. If you push it toward the wheel, that's on. If you push it all the way away from the wheel, you have reverse. So let's get this plugged in. Okay, now for the record, the user manual actually shows you which of the drill bits around here will be used for each feature, which, you know, I'm guessing you could probably use them for whatever you want it, but it'll show you a picture, and then it'll give you, you know, exactly what it should be used for. So that's actually pretty cool. And then once you flip it over, you get the rest of them on the back here. And then it goes into telling you how to actually put the drill bit into the drill itself. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I picked the drill bit that, according to the booklet, tells me to use, which is the small cylinder head to remove nail polish and acrylic nails. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. All right, so it actually is pretty quiet. That was one of the other things that it claims that it is pretty quiet. So if you have a sleeping child or anyone in the house that you need to be quiet for, you can still use it. I'm going to go ahead and clear off the surface and get all these things out of the way. And then I'm going to go ahead and actually start trying to drill down these acrylics and see how that works out. Okay, so we're definitely ready. And then really quick, we're going to turn it on again and just show you guys these speed controls. So even though it is pretty quiet, you can hear that speed change. So that speed actually changes quite a bit for anyone who was curious. I'm going to start off actually on the slowest speed setting and see what that does. And then we'll move up if we have to. Let's see here. Start like this. Okay, so on the slowest speed, it isn't horrible at removing nail polish or anything. It'll pretty much get through that. But it's not doing much for taking down the length of the nail. So let's see if I can bump up the speed a little bit and what it'll do then. Let's try that again. All right, so I'm going to bump up the speed again. If that doesn't work, I'm going to switch drill bits and see if maybe I'll get a better result that way. Okay, so I'm going to stop at this point. And I'm going to say, as far as this drill bit goes, if you're just trying to get off some gel polish or, you know, any other kind of nail polish, it'll be good for making quick work of that. As far as taking down the length of the nail itself, though, it's not really working out the best for that. So I'm going to actually switch to one of the sanding drill bits and see if that would actually work. Because if I had to choose on my own without the guidebook, that's what I would have gone for. So I'm going to switch to that and see if that makes any difference. All right, we are back. I have switched the grits. I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to lower that just a little bit. And let's see what this does now. Oh, that is chewing away that nail. Look at that. Okay. I think it's plain to see how quickly that is just chewing away at that nail. So at home, I would say this is definitely the one I would choose just to take down the nails. I mean, again, to make quick work of this, you can just nail clip the nails to get rid of the length and then go ahead and sand down the top. My point was just see how well these drills actually worked and how well they worked at the acrylic and everything. So, you know, that's normally what I would do if I were testing this. Just clip down the nails to where I want them, which is where my natural nail is. And then just go ahead and use the drill bits on the top. But for shaping and anything else after the nails are done, I think this is really good. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to finish this up and then we'll come back. Okay, really quick, I just wanted to show you guys I'm using the nail clippers that actually came in the packaging. So I'm going in on the corners, the length of my nails are, my natural nails. I'm just snipping in either side and then just pulling them off. So if anybody was curious as to the quality and how well the nail clippers themselves were, and this is pretty thick acrylic. Look at that. Look how thick that is. And yes, these are not salon done. These are Kiss nails that I bought in the store that are this thick. They don't normally have them so thick. But yeah, just wanted you guys really quickly to see how well that works at least. Okay, so really quick update. Here's where I am so far. For the record, I've had this running for about 10 minutes straight without turning it off while I was doing these nails here. I have not noticed the machine getting overly hot. I would say right here, very, very close to the base, slightly warm. Like just warmer than it was when I took it out the box. But there's no overheating. It doesn't get hot or anything. So definitely a plus for that. And here so far, I'm just going to quickly do this last pinky nail over here so you guys can see if anybody's interested in what that looks like. And by the way, I touched it to my skin accidentally and nothing rough, nothing has happened, thank God. So it does say it's also good for calluses and stuff. So, you know, in case you wanted to use it for that, it is, you know, I wouldn't hold it on your skin, but it's not hurting or anything. By the way, nothing is sped up. That's just how I'm moving. Also, for the record, I would not hold the drill down in any one place for too long. Even though it's going over a fake nail, it can still get hot in that spot and end up burning your finger bed. So don't do that. Definitely move the drill as much as you can and just keep it on a constant motion. And even stop for a second if you need to. It's fine as well. And there you go. Okay, so overall, now that I'm finally done with that, I really do like the drill so far. Now, this is coming from someone who has, you know, no professional experience using drills, no professional experience doing my nails at all. I just do what works for me at home. And this drill has definitely made this process right now of just removing the nails a lot faster than it would have been if I was sitting here at home with a hand nail file. Really wondering what took me so long to just kind of take the plunge. Very affordable on Amazon. Like I said, I will have this link down below for anyone who's interested. And considering all the extra bits that you get with it, I mean, that's really a pretty good deal for, you know, just a little over $20, because once they added tax, it was like 21 and change. But that's quite a bit of, you know, product that you get there, and a drill that really does do an incredible job at helping with the nails, whether you're just doing your own manicure at home or if you are doing full-on, you know, gels or acrylics or something else at home. So I really do hope that this review helps you. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If you haven't already, please comment, rate, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You all have an amazing rest of the weekend wherever you are, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.